Friends, today we are going to study the digital electronics. We know that there are the different developments are made in electricity. First, it will be named as an electricity. After this, some advances, it is become an electronics. And the today's generation of electronics is an digital electronics. Digital means it is created due to the digits, and digits is the 0 and 1, means the binary digit. Binary digit in 0 means the signal is not present, and 1 is the presence of the signal. It means logically it will be known as an true and false. That is, the false is 0, that is signal is absence, and 1 is, that is the on or the true or the presence of the signal. In digital electronics, the basically the concept of the gate is very important. Gate, this gate is very important. And gate, which is the gate? What is the gate? That is, the gate is an electronic circuit that gives the output when and when only when the appropriate input is applied. Means that the gate is an electronic circuit which will be operate when and only when the input is given to it. Means that the output of the gate is depend upon the input. If we did not give the input, it does not operate. Means that it operate according to input. Unless we did not give the input, it does not operate. And such a type of electronic circuit is known as an gate. Simply, why this gate terminology is used? Why the terminology of the gate is used? Why gate? It is known as a gate. We know that there are the different gates. The gate which is in front of the bungalow, the gate which is front of the schools or the colleges, the gate which is in front of the our home or the building schools. That gate, when it will be opened, such a gate in front of the home, if will be apply the some force, if one, it will be, that is the, it will be pull, means one can apply the force to open the gate. Unless one can apply an external force to open the gate, gate did not open. Means that unless we operate it, unless we pull it, unless we apply an external force, the gate in front of the home, in front of the building, in front of the school did not opens. And this gate is equivalent to the digital gate, means the electronic circuit which will be known as a gate. This gate and this gate are having some similarity. Which similarity? Unless one can operate it, the gate in front of a home, the gate in front of the building does not open. Like that, these electronic gates can operate when and only when the appropriate inputs are supplied. If the input is did not supplied, inputs are not given, such a type of a gate, that is an electronic circuit which does not operate. Hence it is known as a gate. Means that these gates, gate in front of the building, gate in front of the home, are like this gate, and hence it is known as a gate, and hence the gate terminology is used. Also, it can't open unless one can open or apply. We know that the gate in front of the building can't open if one cannot apply an force, external force or some energy. We know that the logic gates, that is these electronic gates, why? it is used in electronics or why it is used in a computer application. We know that the gates are used in computer application. That is, the logic gate is an electronic circuit and it is used to make the logical decision. This gate is not only known as an gate, it is properly known as an logic gate in case of an electronics or in case of digital electronics. In digital electronics, it is known as an logic gate, and hence these logic gates are the electronic circuit and which are used to make the logical decisions in mathematics. In mathematics, at a school level, we see the some of the logical operations such as the equal to, that is 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, that is 1 kg, 1 kg oil, that is 1 kg petrol, 1 liter petrol, that is, it means the it is equal to, that is the operation equal to is used. This is the greater than, this is less than. It means that these are the logical operation. We know that one of the student is whose height is greater than, that is the student of A student has greater height than the B. A student has a it has its weight higher than the B. It means the logical decision will be operated. And where these logical operations in the mathematics used, we know that in a computer system there is a ALU, that is arithmetic logical unit. And in arithmetical logical unit inside the computer, all which can perform all the logical operation, that such a type of population, we know that the ALU, arithmetical logical unit, arithmetical means the different type of the operation, plus, minus, multiplication, division, integration, derivative, exponential, trigonometrical, all these operation came inside the arithmetical unit. And logical means the only logical operation that is equal to, less than, greater than. These operations are known as an logical operation. Means that this arithmetical logical unit inside the computer can perform all the types of the mathematical operation, from, that is, the plus, minus, addition, subtraction, to the trigonometric and again the derivative. And logical unit will be perform only these three operation, that is the equal to, less than, and greater than. These are used for the comparison. These are used to it will be known as an electronic operation, that is comparator. And inside the comparator, then gate is used. Means that gate is essential, gate is very applicable unit in the arithmetical logical unit. And in arithmetical logical unit, the gates are used only to perform the logical mathematical operation. There are the number of mathematical operations, like just I will say before, that is from the addition, subtraction, multiplication, to the trigonometric, and again the integration, again the derivative. These are the mathematical operation. But in ALU, the logical gate, that is the gate, are only used to perform the mathematical operation. In mathematical operation, when it is to be performed, if there is the comparison, if there is the some type of the equivalence is required, at that time the logical operations are to be required. We know that the logic gate, it has one or more input terminal but only one output. In case of the gate, that is the it is an electronic circuit, that logic gate, it has one or more inputs, minimum one inputs, and there are the greater than, there are the number of inputs, that will be more inputs. Means that minimum one inputs is very essential in case of the logic gate. That is, it has one or more input terminal but only one output terminal. Means that for the logic gate, there are the one or more input but only one output. Output terminal is only one, Input terminals are the different. It may be one or more inputs. Gate are the digital circuits. That is the, it means the digital circuit. That is the digital means it is the part of the electronics. That is, it is the advancement of the electronics. Gate is the digital circuit because the input and output signal are the low or the high voltages. I just say that in digital electronics there are the two digits, means that it is the 1 0 and it is the 1 binary digit. 0 means that is the absence of the signal or the less signal, and 1 means that is the presence of the signal or the high signal. In logical language it will be known as an 1 will be known as an 1 will be high, true, presence of signal plus VCC. It will be logically explained. So the one explained, that is the one will be the high, it will be true, it will be presence of the signal, and it will be the VCC. And low, zero will be logically explained as absence of the signal. That will be the off, that will be the true, or that will be the ground. Ground means the zero signal. It means that in logical language, in digital circuit, the input and output signal are in the logical language of low and high. Low and high. It will be no, low and high. See here. That is, the low and high means it is logically. Low means VCC and ground. That is, the logically high means the VCC and low means the ground. Here, that is high, low, that is high means 1, low means 0. That is true means 1 and false means 0. S, that is the signal is present. No, that is the signal is absent. Means that these are the logical language used to explain the digital electronics or the digital circuit. In binary language, it is indicated as the ones or the zeros. Ones means the high, yes, true, plus VCC. Zero means that is the low, that is the false, that is the ground, that is the absence of the signal. Means that the does not made any difficulty. Just just keep in mind that the 1 means the presence of the signal and the 0 means the absence of the signal. 1 means the VCC and 0 means the ground. 1 means the yes and 0 means the no. Okay, there are the different types of the gate. Again, then these logical gates are which was used in electronics or which was used in digital electronics has a different types of the gate. That is, this provide output only for the certain combination of the input according to the boolean expression. Means that the types of the gate will be depend upon the boolean expression. That is the how the inputs will be operated, how the inputs will be performed at the output, it will be depend upon the respective type. Means that which type of the gate it will be uses, it will be operates according to a particular boolean expression. Means that each gate gives an output according to its boolean expression. Each gate is specified by the one of the particular boolean expression. Means that consider there is one type of the OR gate. OR gate means that it will be used for the logical addition. That is the gate which is used to made the addition, that will be known as the OR gate. AND gate, that is it is used to perform the multiplication. That is, it is the boolean expression of the AND gate is, that is the multiplication. Boolean expression of the OR gate is, that is the addition. That is the gate which is used to perform the addition, that will be known as an OR gate. The gate which is used to perform the multiplication, that will be used as an AND gate. Means that the gate each and every gate will be operated according to particular Boolean expression. That is, the Boolean expression is an one of the characteristic of the gate. That is, the gate will be operated according to Boolean expression. That is the unique characteristic of the particular gate. That is, I just say that the Boolean expression is the one of the particular characteristic of that respective gate. That respective gate. Then we know that